गाइस वेलकम बैक टू अनदर टेक की वीडियो में जहाँ पे मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ एक और तड़कते फड़कते टॉपिक के साथ जो है यूट्यूब से वीडियो डाउनलोड करना इनटू योर गैलरी लैपटॉप पीसी फोल्डर एंड एनीथिंग लोकेशन इन एनी लोकेशन. Okay, so now you have to go on the YouTube first and click on the video which you have to download. Let's suppose this video and copy the URL of this video. Okay, now you have to search save from net. Okay, click on the first link, save from net, type the link here which you have copied and it will show you the video. You can download in any format which you have want into your direct phone's gallery, laptop folder in any location. Okay, so this is the method. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and comment what's your feedback. Thanks for watching the video.